Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be walking you guys on the directional buyers I have for this week. So let's go back to the chart. So guys, I'm going to show you my directional buyers on Bitcoin, USJPY, and silver. So on Bitcoin, right here, as you can see, first we identify the directional buyers. As you can see on Bitcoin, we are clearly bearish here. So I draw my trend line to determine the trend of the market. As you can see, Bitcoin here is bearish. Secondly, I identify my key levels. So yeah, coming on key levels, if you don't understand how to mark out key levels, kindly go over to my page to check out how I identify high profitable key levels when trading. And don't also forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's continue. So I saw that price came in, took out this low right here. So when price took out this low, as you can see, price took out this low and just came here to take this low here too. Took out this low too. So you can see price came here, took out this low, forming a double break structure to the upside, and you can see this area here acted as a demand zone. Right, so price came here, reacted into this level here. Right, let me try to, yeah. So this was what price used. Came here to push off for the buy, and now you're going to use it as an area of supply. So this becomes our supply. Okay, so this is our supply. So change the supply. All right. So we're expecting that price should sell and we'll take out this low. So that's what we're expecting now on Bitcoin. So okay. So now we already identified that on the daily time frame we are clearly bearish, right? So then and I go over to you can see right here that right now BTC still remains still bullish. There is still no does that breakout we're waiting for, and we test and then sell here for now. But right now you can see this key level here that price is currently reacting off from. You can see that it's a key level the price came and reacted off from beautifully well. You can see that. So it's an area of demand, and again we have this level here that we're expecting that price should pull into for selling, because you can see price came here, took out this low, and so what am I expecting? I'm expecting that price should come into this level, should just buy here and then sell. So that is what I'm expecting. So now let's see where I'm going to buy from. So I go at the 30 minutes time frame. So first of all, I have to adjust this zone here, this day time frame supply. As you can see, this level here is the zone that I'm expecting supplies to come into. As you can see, and also there's an inducement right here too. So this can act as an inducement. So expecting that price should buy into this level, buy into this area of supply, and then sell. So that's that. So right now I go back to my 30 minutes time frame to look for confirmation. So when looking for a confirmation, what do? So price came here, right? Took out this high, right? Okay, wait, let me explain this. Price came here, swept this liquidity here. So this was swept the liquidity, and price swept the liquidity. Price came here to form a market structure shift. You see? So price came to form a market structure shift right here. So now I'm expecting that price should pull into this level here to sell. So that's what I'm expecting. So I go down to a 15 minutes time frame to see if I can determine another block that's present down here. So this is the other block right here. I'll go to spot out from price. So I mark my other block. Alright, so this is the demand. Expecting that price should dip into this level here and buy. So I'm setting a long from this level, my low below the low, and target the what? Daily time frame high. Okay, let me adjust this one. Alright, so I'll go at the forward time frame to take it over to this supply that we will identify from the daily time frame. You can see expecting that price should come into this level here to buy up. So that's that on Bitcoin. So moving over to USJPY. So on USJPY, you can see here I'm clearly bullish on USJPY, right? So let me explain why I'm actually bullish here on USJPY. So let's take this out. Okay, let's go to daily time frame. I'm just going to explain this to you. So on the daily time frame here, I zoomed out, you're going to identify that price is bullish. And see when price came here, it bought, price came here, it bought, price came here, it bought, price came here, it bought. And currently now we are at this level, so I think that price from taking out this high here. So let's take this out immediately. So now on the 4 hours time frame right here, I always identify a market structure shift and this level here. But pushing in, let's go to 1 hour. So in 1 hour, I saw this liquidity sweep and price breaking the structure here. Alright, so price came here to break this high right here. So I'm expecting that price should dip into this level. So once I see my market structure shift right here, I'm going to buy. Waiting for another buy, taking out, targeting this high here as my take profit level. Okay, so then on silver right here, I'm also bullish on silver. As you can see, I'm clearly bullish on silver. So let's go at the daily time frame to identify my directional buy. So on silver, you can also see that silver is bullish, gold is also bullish. You get gold and silver, they are both bullish. So on silver here, you can see price came into this level here, it bought, came here again, it bought. Now currently at this level, price is retraced into this level here too, expecting another push up to the upside. So you can see. Alright, so now let's go back to the 1 hour time frame now to look for the zones we are actually buying for. So at this level here, we identify that price came here to form this market structure shift. You can see here. So it's market structure shift price form, and when price formed this market structure shift, this was the inducement it formed. That's why when price was coming down, price came down to take out this inducement before reacting from here. So I'm expecting that price should dip into this level. It depends on how the market opens on Monday. If I see a rushing, I'll wait for a confirmation. I'm not entering at night. I always enter, take my trades during London sections, starting from London and New York section. I don't trade during Asian sections. So if I see any dip or pull back here, and I'll wait for a confirmation. So that's that, and I'm expecting that price take out this liquidity here that is gathering around this level here, right here. This liquidity here, right here, and that this liquidity here to be taken out. Right. So also, before I forget, there is this level right here. There's a key level, there's a supply level in the daily time frame that caused this sell here. As you can see, and this was the sell that caused the sell here. So it's the supply level that caused the sell here. So if you go over to like the 4 hours time frame, you have to bear in mind that now price came here and formed a market structure shift right here. Right, so I'm also expecting some little retracement from this level here too. So that means I am going to be bullish until price reach to this level. So it's now left for me for a confirmation for price to tap in, and then I'm now take it to the high to clear out that high. So that is what I have on silver. So let's go over to gold. XAU USD. So on gold too, alright, so let's see what gold is showing us. So on gold, we would identify that when price came in took out this high right here. Then you go out to the weekly time frame. You see it's reacting off from a demand zone here on the weekly time frame. Price came to react from this key level right here. You can see that that's what is causing this bullishness, right? So, but on the day time frame right here, we are still bearish on the higher time frame. You can see price still bearish, but I'm expecting that breakout to occur from here. And price is currently reacting off from this key level right here that's causing this buy here. So that is this is the buy that is actually causing price to buy from here. So on the 1 hour time frame, now what can I see on the 1 hour time frame now? So I was able to set out, I think what's this for us? Let's see, okay, that's very beautiful. So the 4 hours time frame, we have to identify this market structure shift right here. So you can see this market structure shift that price formed right here. So this is the inducement. So I'm expecting that price should pull into this level here. I press that price should pull into this level, this area of demand. So now I'm going to now wait for price to come into this level to form a market structure shift to buy and clear out this high right here. All right, guys. So that will be all. That is all for this week, and also do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay blessed.